How to fix laptop battery not charging after recent Windows update. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The built-in Power Troubleshooter can help detect and fix battery-related issues that occur after a Windows update. If that didn't work, outdated or corrupted drivers may cause the laptop battery to stop charging after an update. Updating these drivers ensures compatibility with the new Windows version. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.